Now, to find the value of day in cell F18, click Formulas tab. Click the button Lookup and Reference Range. Select the Vlookup function from the list. The function arguments dialog box opens. In Lookup value box, select the cell reference F17. Press Tab key. In Table Array box, click Data Table Sheet. Select the whole table. First click this cell. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Then again press Ctrl Shift right arrow. Now you can see this is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3, this is column 4, 5 and 6. I select column index num box, column number 2, because I want to retrieve data from column number 2. Press Tab key. Type false in a range lookup box. When you click OK, first function will look up the date 20 May 2018 in the first column of table or data table. If the date is exact match in the first column of data table, then function will return value from column 2 of data table or lookup table. Click OK. At 20 May 2018, the day was 6. You can check in data table. At that day, the day was 6.